Hey guys, so I know I have an earache, but I want to tell you guys I got a bird, and her name is Beyonce. Beyonce. And we'll turn it around where you guys can see her. The Beyonce, the bird. So yeah, this is my bird. She just sits there and does nothing. Like, we got her toys and stuff to play with, but I don't know why she's not playing with them. She may be getting used to it first. Cause when we first got her, she flew out of the thing that came in. And then our dog, well, my dad's dog. I don't like dogs. See, yelling at him. He tried to eat it, though I had to take him outside when my dad could get him, because I'm not letting that bird bite me, because that's like trouble. So I let my dad get it, so I took Hank outside. So we just stood there. And we came in, put her food and water in there. Right now she's sleeping. So, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I bet she don't eat. So yeah, I got a bird named Beyonce, and it stares at me. Like it's doing right now, and I'm staring at it. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's sleeping. So, yeah. So they sleep at nighttime, but they're like early birds. That's what phrase. So you put a sheet over it overnight. So that's what I'm gonna do. When I'm not here, because I come to my dad's every other weekend. Like, when I'm not here, my dad has to take care of it. So yeah, so that's my bird. So let's hope and pray. Oh yeah, we have a cat too, so let's hope and pray we don't let her eat it. Because each time we come out, from now on, we have to shut that door. Okay, so bye.